What's up, guys? It's Nextnator. You get the idea. Ah! My fingers are stuck together. Oh wait, I'm a Connects figure. That's normal. What was today again? Was it something special? Oh yeah! Today's a Star Festival! That only happens every 100 years. I don't know when the next one will be, so I guess I should check it out. But first, my red's bleeding through. New coat time. Ah yes, the internet. Degenerate as usual. Oh hey, my video went viral. Maybe I should make some more documentaries. Nah, that's kinda gay. That reminds me, I can't leave without eating some dick. Breakfast time. Oh hey Tanto, are you ready for the big day?
Yes sirree! I just teleported some fresh dick. Do you want some?
Hold up, this isn't wheat dick. This is Wonder Bread dick.
Well, the store was out of the usual.
Dude, you got my hopes up that you were making dick again. But that's fine. Let's just eat and go. The guys are waiting for us. What's up, guys? You ready?
I'm probably not even old enough to drive. How did I get roped into hosting a carpool?
You mean that wasn't you who messaged the group offering to pick everyone up?
No, that was some Mario 64 Machinima girl.
I thought she was still modding fan games.
Ooh, I hate to tell you, but I think you guys got your contacts mixed up.
So the goodbye thanks for everything text was serious after all.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Go, go, go!
Hey, where's this game today?
Wow, impressive. I can't even beat Minecraft with Joy-Cons.
Okay, just one more stop.
Hi guys! Hi Steve.
Any luck on hardcore mode? I teleported to the bottom of the ocean and drowned, but I swear to God I'll beat the Ender Dragon one day. But not today. Let's observe the stars. This man gets it. Stupid gingerbread bastard. So full of crap. I knew he lied about finding that blocky guy. Why has this been open? Well, I gotta go to college. Where is it? Need that one. Now let's go. Holy shit, he is here! Oh, God damn it, are you dead? Wake up! Good, you're finally awake. I need revenge. I got a whole secret backstory, but for both our sake, let's cut to the chase. See these pesky plumbers? I'm going to kill them. Terminate. Not living. The slip throat motion thing. Hey, are you even listening to me? What time is it? Man, it's really late. Gotta make sure Connects World is up and running. Minecraft.entity.exe would like to run in the Connects World. Is that okay? Yeah, sure, whatever. I gotta go. Oh God, what have I done? And he's gone. I guess it's tomorrow's problem now.
You fucking what, mate? Hey yo, what the fuck?
Incoming!
tiger.
You just got boned, FTW. Now you're dead, cause we killed you, we took you by surprise.
Two to the one, from the 1 to the 3. I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe. And I get more ass than a toilet seat. 3 to the 1.
Hey, Joe! Someone's at the door! Well, go answer it! But you told me not to leave my post! Well then, can't Luigi get it?
Ever since Luigi's boyfriend landed that role on Total Cruise Adventures, he hasn't left the TV room.
What the hell were you doing?
Oh, hey, princess, does, anyone else live here? Are they here right now? Yeah, I would like to see them, if that's okay. Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood local wallet inspector.
But you already inspected my wallet last week!
Oh, damn, dude, you must have misheard me. I'm the traveling mortician. You got any dead bodies?
Say, idiot, did you die yet?
Nope, Mario's still alive and well.
Oh. Did Steve die again?
He already respawned.
Well then, unfortunately, no, we don't have any dead bodies for you.
You sure? Can you check the basement?
No. Now get out.
Okay, but let me know, because if you got any, I'm the traveling mortician, and that's what I do, with the dead bodies, that's what...
I wasn't questioning what you were gonna do with them. We just don't have any for you.
Damn it!
Let's get high on stars.
Oh, Jesus! Recolored idiot, you multiplied!
It hasn't been that long, Toad.
I could put you all in a blender and I still wouldn't be able to tell who's who. But at least then you wouldn't be as annoying.
As long as you don't touch the block, we got no quarrel, Toad dude.
I certainly wouldn't fare well in a blender.
Hey, we're not just some mess for you to clean up.
I usually call you out for dying, but can you kill me instead?
Sorry, I left my diamond sword at home. Are you here to help me find the bouncy ball I just lost? What? No, it's the Festival of Stars. Every 100 years. All those lumas and crap.
You're 14 years too late. That already happened long before we met you.
Today is my daily spaghetti anniversary. I had it with meatballs this morning. Save. It wasn't in danger.
If it's a whole month, don't you still have 30 days left to celebrate it? Hey, that yard isn't gonna guard itself.
He does bring up a good point, though.
No, he didn't. Bringing up good points is above his payroll.
I mean, we're all here. It's a nice day. Let's do something together. We have the rest of our lives to go our own separate ways. To eat spaghetti, to beat the Ender Dragon, to build Connects tracks, to play Fortnite, to collect Megadeth albums, to steal hats, to discover the secrets to success in life, and I don't think anyone knows what you do. But today, we're all free, and fate has allowed us to congregate after far too long. So let's do what any reunited ragtag group of content creators would do with this opportunity, and milk our interactions for internet fame.
What happened to plain old Carpe Diem? Yeah, let's just do the ultimate chill.
Whatever. I'm gonna go watch TV with Luigi and Yoshi.
Bye!
Prepare your anus.
Ready doesn't even fucking describe it! Mario Bros! Woohoo!
Yeah, Catan.
What's so special about this K10?
It has resources that we can use to build advanced civilizations.
Nah, they just kind of leave it at the resources part.
Oh, hell no! Nuh-uh. I summoned Blue Eyes of White the Dragon.
How'd that get in there?
I win the pot. I got a full house ace high.
No way. I don't buy that for a second. Roll for a perception check.
Natural 20?
It speaks for itself.
Hold up. Reverse. Get no-scoped MLG bitches.
Aha! Now it's my turn. Draw 4, bitch.
Connectsnator42? What are you doing here?
You're kidding, right? Our truce ends today, remember? I get to continue my identity quest, and I'm not talking about being a woman.
What?
Stealing your channel. Bowser's here too. Can anyone go fish?
Oh crap! There's no more cards to draw.
No cards, so you'll have to spin the bad wheel. Not so fast, Dobby. Have you forgotten? Only Jack's Pacific figures can use that card. We're all Connects figures, making your card useless.
Wait, but by that logic, doesn't the minority card basically have the same effect?
Actually, since Steve's the odd Minecraftian out, only he gets that card.
Hey, Steve, can you help a Connects figure out and save my ass? No, you're kinda gay, and saving you would make me gay.
He's right. You don't get penalized anymore.
In that case, Connectsnator, I'm gay as hell. Wait, it's not here.
While you guys were distracted, I stole Steve's Minecraftian card and used it to shield myself for 3 turns.
So, I'm screwed? I think got a diversion.
Oh shit.
This is gonna be one of those days, isn't it?
Abby, what are you doing? Get back here. Hello, bro, I am right here. Guys, he doesn't know.
Hate to burst your bubble, but that ain't Steve.
Get out of the way!